Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the video you guys have all been waiting for. This is the competition winners. And this is super hard to choose the winners because there were so many good ones and so many creative ones. So this is definitely harder than last time. And so I'm going to have 3 winners and 3 honorable mentions. And I'm going to show everyone's designs at the very end, even if you didn't win. So that's cool. And yeah, so let's get started. First, we're going to start off at 3rd place, and 3rd place goes to Data Gaming or Data Gaming. I'm not sure what he wants to go by. His YouTube channel will be down in the description below, and this is what his design looks like. And I really like it. Honestly, I think that the snow coming down from the text is a really nice touch. And I don't know, the composition's good, and I can tell there's like light spots and looks like some time was put into it. And it just looks pretty good, and it also uses the rule of thirds, which is cool. And so congratulations to you, and this is his YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. He did a good job on this, and he makes some cool looking content. So yeah. 2nd place goes to Cube, and this is his design. I really like this one. I don't know, as soon as I saw it, there was something about it that I really liked. I think it's the consistency, how all of it has like a black stroke around it, and it just looks really clean. I really like it. And this is his YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. He makes like car content, what it looks like. Let's get him to 20 subscribers or 10, whatever you guys want to do. But definitely subscribe to him, and good job. Now the number 1 design goes to me. Yep, I won. This is my design. I think it's the best one personally, but maybe that's an unpopular opinion. And here's my YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe. I'm the winner, so no, I'm just kidding. But number 1 place actually goes to Polar. This is his design, and I really like this for a lot of reasons. 1, it's simple. 2, it's creative, because I really like how you can see it's like there's depth in it, you know, and there's different shades of the background, and it's just super creative, and I like it. Super simple, but at the same time it's really nice. And he made all of this, which I think it's really good, and that's why he won number 1. So subscribe to his YouTube channel. I will show you right here. He says he's about to upload, so subscribe and get ready for that upload. This is his channel. He doesn't have any content yet, but I'm sure he's going to be uploading, so show him some support. Good job, Polar. You did great. Now I'm going to show you some of the honorable mentions. There's a lot of good ones I want to put on here for honorable mentions, but unfortunately I can only have 3. And first off, before I even show these, respect to this guy. His design was 100% made from scratch, and I think that's pretty crazy because there's a lot of stuff going on here. So this is the first honorable mention. This one looks kind of like my thumbnail, and that's why I really like it. It just looks really good and clean, so that's why this is one of the honorable mentions. This is the 2nd honorable mention. This one looks pretty cool too. He used a 3D render for it, and this is the Roblox thumbnail from what it looks like, and it looks really clean. So yeah. Now I give the last honorable mention to this person. I like this one because it's simple. I really like the text and the lights. The lights look very natural on the text, and it's just as simple, but you get the point. There's Santa Claus flying in the outer space, you know. That's how it is. And yeah, so that's why I think this one deserves to be an honorable mention. And if you guys did not make it as a winner or an honorable mention, that does not mean yours is bad. There was too many good ones. All of yours were good, so don't feel bad. You did good. It was fun. And Merry Christmas. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.